Paul Morrow here. It's Monday morning, so it's time for your weekly smart financial start to the week. And this week, I want you to grab some free money. So before I even tell you the names and where to go, I want you to get your pencil and you're going to write this down. I want you to go out and get the free money that's available. It's March 2025. I don't know how long these things are going to last, but I will tell you, I remember the era when my mom would go to a bank and she'd open up a CD and they'd give her knives. Or she'd open up another account somewhere and they'd give her a set of glasses. And in fact, if you filled up your gas tank at certain gas stations, you got a set of dishes. These deposit bonuses or giveaways are an incentive to get people into your business. And I understand them entirely. I participated in them. I actually think those kind of rewards programs are cool and they're a little bit fun. And it's the gamification of investing. So I want to point out a few places that you can grab free money this week, March 2025. I don't know how long they're going to last. By the way, they do these promotions so they frankly run out of glasses or dishes or money. So let's do this first. If you've heard of the big firm Robinhood, it's a brokerage, and Robinhood, take from the rich, give to the poor. Okay, the rich people that own Robinhood are paying a number. There's actually 3 different bonuses they're paying. I'm going to look at my notes to make sure, because I want you to get them if you want them and you're willing to put up with the strings attached with them. So Robinhood is paying 1% deposit bonuses for people who open up accounts. And in fact, they'll pay you as much as 3% upfront if you put your IRA with Robinhood. That means that if you put $100,000 there, you get $3,000. That's not insignificant, right? So I think that you should pay attention and look at the Robinhood free deposit bonuses that they're paying. They also have a program for you stock investors, by the way. If you're a young person and you should be doing your own stock investing, you've heard me talk about that. You open a brokerage account, whether it's at Interactive Brokers or Fidelity or whatever. If you open it at Robinhood, they actually will give you some free stock. It's worth about $200. This is actually targeted to what I would call the startup investor. If you're investing your first $5,000 and they give you free stock of $200, that's 4%. That's not insignificant either. I'm not going to be a commercial for Robinhood because I'm also going to tell you about a company called Public. So Public Investing is also paying 1% deposit bonuses. And that means that if you invest money with Public, they will give you a 1% upfront. Now, I don't want to talk about the taxability of some of these, but I would say that if you happen to have a Roth IRA and they contributed $3,000 to, that's also tax-free money. So you should pay attention to this. Also, in the world of deposit bonuses, they go from literally 1% in March 2025 to as much as 21% by Sammons Corporation. Sammons owns a number of companies. They own brokerage firms, they own insurance companies or whatever. I will tell you, for the long-term investor, to be able to deposit $1 million and get $210,000, that's, by the way, there's no cap. I just want to say that with the program at Sammons, there's no cap. I think some of the other plans have caps. I want you to go out and check on this week deposit bonuses that you can get for putting your money with a brokerage firm you like, by the way. And don't make the cash money the only reason you do it. But I will tell you, there's lots of good reasons to collect upfront bonuses. One of the ones I like the most, by the way, is if you're doing a Roth conversion and you think that Roth conversion is going to cost you 30%. And if one of these companies will pay you 10, 15, or 20% tax-free into your Roth, boy, that gives your Roth conversion a huge haircut. Anybody in the world who's considering Roth conversion should look seriously at the deposit bonus programs. Now, I will tell you at the end of this how you can get help from us. If you get lost, don't get lost in the wild west of this. Don't sign up for things that have strings you don't like. Some of the strings are perfectly acceptable. If you're a long-term investor, who cares if you have to keep the money there 5 or 7 years or something? That's like, so what? Especially if you can get 20% upfront and then have the investment in something that works for you. Okay? So here's what you're going to do. I have a couple of takeaways for this. I want you to, first of all, write this stuff down. You're going to forget it, right? The top 3 I think you should look at in deposit bonuses are Public, and it's just like it sounds, Public, Public. Robinhood, right? Robinhood brokerage, easy to look up. They have a bunch of different products. Sammons, Sammons, they own a bunch of insurance companies and all that. If you have any difficulty finding the information on these, reach out to us. Go ahead and mash that follow thing, join our group, sign up for our newsletter, whatever. Email us. And our people at info@Smart Financial will be happy to direct you to the brokerage that you're looking for, or even to one of our affiliate advisors. And I'm Paul Morrow, and this is just the art of being smart. I'll see you personally at our upcoming September economic conference at the Marriott Hotel outside of the greater Boston area in a town called Newton, Mass. We're going to be inviting about 200 people, and the first 100 subscribers that sign up get to go for free. So let me say that again. It's September. In fact, it's September 25th of 2025. We'll give you plenty of time to sign up. Go ahead and pre-register through the website. The first 100 of our loyal subscribers, we have many thousands of subscribers now. The first 100 are free. We're going to have some guests and it will be fun. So I will see you in September at the economic conference. That's just the second part of the art of being smart.